Let's take a look at Dogecoin. Last time we looked at Doge was on November the 2nd. Here is a recap. And then around the middle of October, we had the first bullish side, which is the 10 days, cross over and lead the 50 days. And now if you look at these two lines, the 10 days, which is the red line, continue to lead the 50 days. And Doge is still able to ride the 10 days moving average and trade above the 27 cents. The Bollinger Band is forming out very nicely. Lots of momentum is being built up as the width of the band get extremely tight. All we really need is some increase in value. Then we would likely see this major spike up in price. Fast forward, this is the daily chart for Dogecoin, and the data I have is to about 7 a.m. Pacific Standard Time on November the 4th. Last time when we look at Doge on November the 2nd, that's when Doge was able to close the day right at the 10 days moving average. I was hoping that volume was starting to pick up, but that wasn't the case. This seemed to be the biggest problem we have. There is absolutely no volume at all. Where are the buyers? It seemed like Doge is definitely losing momentum. And when you don't have volume, short sellers, they are very much in control. And let's not forget that Barry Silbert's 3x short Dogecoin, that fund is still active, and they are still actively shorting Dogecoin. As you can see, when the price of Dogecoin dropped, Barry Silbert's fund goes up. That's why they drove the price down. The last 2 days, Doge ended up closed below this red line, which is the 10 days moving average. The only thing that we can hope for is, so far, Doge is still trading above the support trend line. Last time when Doge briefly dropped below the support trend line, buyers step in, we see this huge buying volume. Hopefully, the well would support to prevent the price from breaking down. So how Doge is going to close today is extremely important. We need Doge to be able to make a push and close over the 10 days moving average and stabilize right at around the 27 cents again. Then we can look at the potential for those to run up. However, a close below the 10 days moving average, then there is a very good probability that we may see those retrace more, as long as the volume continue to be light. And if that is the case, then the major supports that we're looking at would be at 25.5 cents, where it would be testing the support of the symmetrical triangle. Break down, then the next support level would be right at around the 24 cents, where those would also be testing the support of this 50 days moving average. So in the short term, until those can trade over the 10 days moving average, which is at or above 27 cents, we are not looking at the possibility for those to spike up. But then again, that is really based on the chart. One thing about those is it is extremely unpredictable. We could see those drop, and then just overnight we see this sort of like spike up in price. That is the unpredictability of Doge. So I guess for now, just hang tight. That's it for this video, and don't forget to click that like button and reward me with a like if you appreciate the content that I'm presenting. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button and subscribe, and make sure you turn notification on. And if you have Twitter, make sure you follow me at Vietmaxim, because I provide constant update on all of our favorite cryptos.